onye no na say ayen kan okura nchire nipa
Into kan do ka che
make onwan na no kan no
Nkwasiasem kan no
ana so kan yan Nkwasiasem no kan da bi mo ma no me ye sure so mo parliament and the 275 parliamentarians ni nya o nyina enim nyansa all round the chain Lilwin.
True.
Well, I'm not sure. There are people in parliament omu ni mo mudin tro.
Abusuya wo United Showbiz so no na enra omotena ase a chese discussions no e course as usual na no na kwadwon cancer Lilwin ho nsem ebeto apaso over the weekend so hu se na all trend abra eye wodi ni intentions ense ne enioma ebegu dwa se ai amanfo bi se omopese obeye MP e wo ba bia ne school no won because omohwe de eye development a ode ba ho no na emum MP wo so na onye bibia na chese wono no mum ko ho a enkeye nyansa wom chen MP a oteso because wono no de wo bai waye bibi wasi school ama amanfo nya ho mfaso a amanfo epiapia no ko ne be pie se aso enti kwadwon cancer Lilwin e wo kapa no ana se o deserving po se otumi ko eye parliament a ombe hia na omo discussing na enkotie ensema United Showbiz for kan na eno na eye Ola Michael de ochiremu a Lilwin Gyai agoro na abara ni so no na on focus na ontwa ne sini ni ade saa so na e plus oni Ola enya adwene ene enoma bi a ono so keka bi eye Arnold enso ka bibi Amrado enso ka bibi Mr Logic enso ka bibi yenko ne enkotie ensema omo kan no
of those talk but you supporting John Kofa supporting in past it be bright ni in conformo even former deputy minister of information. So if one of ours so cast up Ostani as an independent candidate say idea is yet me rally behind him.
I say to me rally behind him. Industry no say obi ya de na say no kra no na akokan be kasa wotano. Ntino say no ade say nyina ye ya na edrodum ye rally behind them even when we know
what are you trying to say
adenonya de mefa. Being a member of parliament and a good deal. In your concept.
Oh.
A serious business. I think so maybe it's too early for him to be thinking in that line. Maybe he should focus more on his school and in the intelligent projects of films now or now. The Adamphobia, the chrome for a voter. Omoka and say, go for Philip. I go for Philip, Branabe contested. They got so on the sick and no buy. So Babe contested. I will say NDC was the same. The two baby when you are trained. Or no, then the campaign manager. And about me also any PR. A cow boy. If you was so cigar deep or Johnny. Usually, I'm more tired with SHH to Krubu Castle, be contested, or more bomb to the Canadian. It's a quadruple team, yeah, but I think I will say Obeba or really premiers now. Obeba no baby chich we as to whether so obeti no more can answer here. But me too no for say obeti man and try. Oh, Sikabia on Fanya for man and fan home quadruple.
But main reason anything.
Somebody can say and yet child's play.
But you think he doesn't know that?
He knows it.
You think he doesn't?
No, sir, Ebia no would to me no mate na handmark as Ebia, semi yake 20 name. It in Kami Tunofo, so him so dear than Yamiasi. But who Nima a man and try. Maybe a Chemoka say a former president,
John Dramani
Mahama, a Tunofo, so politics dear. Because you're far home. I think it's also for self return. Because one, if you just say, oh no, I think it's a MPP stronghold.
Yes, yeah, MPP, member of parliament now.
Yeah.
And so he's called William Reku Aid on a member of parliament.
And apart from MPP, usually a motto parliamentary elections now. So MPP, mostly was in this in Abeto second, but Anna Gavin Musso. To call independence, a very difficult amount.
That's the same for now, let's see. Ombra
this na mama o mini pay example nkofo na se omra me contest
o nipa na on party ticket on the
independent onya tre
na we o independent not just
onya yen kind of question onya I don't want him to waste resources on something that is not going to help him onya your parliament so so asebi ye mo kasa omoka ni ade nkom me nkofo nkodi ho fel nya abotre
saying
onyini wi a o tede mekan onyini onye na adwuma ompeni sika
say kodi ni ho fel say
o dem say medical ka say enye ba bi ekodi ago
omo kasa omoka
yeah that's omoka brofo
oh now say in this same country name say baby and baba jama yeah MP equity have something yeah I must say
oh wait oh that's all
but she had opportunity
and I'm mudi ne ho fel
why mu
nyina mudi ne ho fel o kasa kakra bi a na fim ama nkasa bi ama be kasa na okọ ni constituency na okọ kan twi no atem parliament who so uti say ya hazard say ama say aka bi say ho ebi den
okamba ku bi
no say Mr. Speaker, Timiji, I'll advise him say on Chengaka. Now on focus more on the human and the investments or now unja politics no more money politics.
Over. If I show what doing
Ola asam no kan no o kan baby so an kan ye.
Massive.
Your friend is saying Emrano I work Ghana han chere what qualifies somebody to contest as a member of parliament. Professor standing president so a qualify to contest as a president and also and to be all follow within that criteria no every right so because of opposite or standing election. It is a Lilwin person or standing election now okase parliament no anya concept no we or no one can ye. Me sure so more parliament in the 275 parliamentarians in your nyansa all round the chain Lilwin.
True.
I'm not sure. There are people in parliament are mudintro. And chairs are almost to me Cambro for to send a Lilwin or come. It's say a show way now. And they're not just saying they don't have to be in parliament. The constituents decided they want to vote for them. So I'm better Obama Lilwin. Why not? And me mean to be able to so baby I walk on a MPP stronghold. So what are your chances of so Obeji seat a free MPP stuff that then we are looking at a but so many look like on your nipa or fataso or green cross or back parliament now say young kind of create you better kind of crash and say be a Lilwin baby I can win into no man go waste to sika but so can say as he doesn't on your nipa or beat me a parliament papa we who's the attack Gyai Nkwasiasem we on your one say I young kind of crash nipa
into kind of crash
make on one and your kind and that's what Gyai Nkwasiasem no kind there be more me man no what can was maybe a next topic what you say so can one can but anyway me never to me can say on order no no or not and I'm sure so assessing the chances me ni ho bibi omo kanu ebia na makọ da kra me says an ye frɛ ho enti no I won't be in a position to say onkwa ana se monko but if he so ono ankasa if feel say bibi a okọ no obetumi awin na nipa no kra no o se afi na obehwɛ say the call na omo friend say omra no if he will accept it and yes sir he has not made a concrete decision. Of course. And you know, on one case, nyabotre no onhwe. By the time we make a decision, no, it should be a decision a better to his advantage. So, yadi on one case decided to so bekwa your industry for no. You have a lot of people in parliament. On me to me are fighting for your industry. Every say we ask na ye one. Bibia person we biano. It is difficult doing it from outside. Sanka Sam George or the social media and also a traditional media so na dey be oka say na on pay LGBT and come sure say ya baby do baby ayedre but because he's in parliament no now omo sponsor private member bill no like omo shemra and you know yenso as creative arts no I was say I know say or see it me piano co parliament. Oh no of course.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Yes, if so our constituency there you no obey to me win here. You see a piano for because the only time you are going to get idea who here is when you have people around the table where the decisions are the laws are being made. And to me obi industry mu or person or parliament me support it. Say obey to me akọ na we what can ya samama en. Me say okwa amon ko yen say omo akọ obi ho a ye industry ni po kodu a ombo number ano da dan for bi say onam kwa ombo me be kan
wo de kan wo ye be ma kan
wo so na that me so na American guy
o se me ye be ma me o se
me so ye be ma bonidi
me ye be ma in so farmer sign police enche me ma bo bi e police ache me
no
yo we ye be ma do aye kunja ma ye be ma me wu
yes about a good move ana
oh I mean any bad say ni power ho obe emi high it's a papa as a who emi I say wa ku efom na ukra to ba ko na be say okunjata as a hunter you should just ultimately say what you are aiming at me no I partially agree with Ola. I think say Lilwin no somehow ni timu ya any day because you can say only nipa o but dey be person ya can say unya hu ni ndie the fact say unko for say Konako represent here no one can say have you sit down to look at what it takes to be an MP apart from the people saying go and represent us and be on my ready so me vote to am ewo ekrana say one on the official level no executive level are you prepared do you know what it consists of yeah and I can say honestly to represent your people is a good thing but me say yeah I don't want to speak against creative people when they aim high but somehow so yeah we need to check ourselves.
Yeah, who made the decision?
No, so I'm not saying say it's just a dream. For now it's a dream. Say I don't know I can't dey. The only advice I'm say man is say mpanicho onko sua ehun ade. You should go and learn about the dream he has. And yes say nkofo say men ko represent nkofo so move vote ma we a onko ho no mo anya agro na edi wo. What I say we share what the functions of the parliament are. Onko ka ho a. Guess ultimately some level of academic background about this whole things that you want to do. I mean, how do you contribute? So we read the functions of an MP. Now we share the functions of parliament. Lilwin Nimfisha. Maybe I was school, I mean at this age, what you mean if I look at his achievement, I am MFA. Say out of because time about out of Yenjimi, what you mean achieve so much for yourself. I mean you are a big guy now. But maybe our person will come. I think that you need to slow down and retarget. Now, if it's possible, so be enroll into stress or school. Maybe
also in the main thing, development or because we see school or see the places underdeveloped in Sanko, Felice Uncle to make up parliament and send Uncle for no breno.
And the bonnet say a dream. But apart from the vote to amount, it doesn't end there. So parliament and she said, oh, she said, me person on to me uncle Yahunim dear. Send a bear or call a young good dinner who say, oh, Lilwin. Say maybe a vote to we do also be a uni the capacity to understand how it works. Or 100% person apart from that, no, or any part it's possible say he can be one, but only Yahunim dear. Answer now started or become Mwasem. That's what I want to see.
Ukraine for president, not comedian.
Why?
Ukraine for president.
The background.
Amrado Rebecca said this is for us, industry, Nipa, Ukra, sign your origin, crowd count. And see, wait there, you should have some concern.
With the influence, no, I believe, sir, any parliament in Ghana, with the development of your constituency. And with Lilwin, no, Yentimin Kase, because you're a comedian. Being a comedian doesn't mean quote unquote you're a fool. The fact that he's funny doesn't mean say we need the knowledge to learn on a job. So I think say ultimately quantify. So I got me say unkofo bebre sebra. Why unkofo ne hwan mo. Until so betre me say nipa percentage say me mra no beto ama me no. It's just a fallacy. I think you should take time and then so be come on join here na or make it the right move.
No be speak as be our copy political science here we nya when in the na logic is required. Something I also bet in looking in the future.
Me see I'm a dream because my dream crowd also. So when I get there I'll start to think about it, but now it's about mine. The way I'm missing my exams now, let's say to my produce songs I bet my many discussion and mommy. When I'm growing, let me draw and I'm interested. Why not? That's why we make good friends, the circles, you know. A plus and a papa. I mean, man, so if I seek knowledge from them, I'm meeting the IBB are fine. But me, I'm home because my question political science teaching Jamaica Parliament. No, yeah.
Amanda, really, Anka, we ever say, oh, support, industry support, Anka, but it looks like it's a different view. But also view listen.
I think Crawford say on I don't think saying Crawford. I think it is him personally. I think say on no interest. I think so none of us or cost standing. But then again, you know, like Mr. Logic kind or homework we I was so meaning say within 5 years see more. Time was actually so senior school in Yamani na me who's interest no. Personally, me who say a bibi onyaya obey. Into meaning so why any homework and nim all that needs to be done and nim say baby are all corner so. Obey to me akwa ejuma was so e ho no ma. I mean he's good to go. He's really good to go. But say about Mcbrown for na there. Well, Lilwin Mcbrown for improve you. I'm surprised that who studying who say Mcbrown for improve. But meaning say a bit to me do baby are all corner there and that I do not know. You know, I would push him if he's ready and he knows what it entails. He's good to go.
Arnold.
Well, Ronald Reagan, before being president of America, I know an actor. Arnold Schwarzenegger, from weightlifting to acting to governor of California. President for Ukraine, comedy. You know, the better president. For some people, the president of Ukraine was the man of the year last year into this year. For a comedian to be able to stand up to Russia, forget about all the casualties, but for a lot of people, he was the man of the year for last year. And check on my background. I do not blame Lilwin. Because seriously, if we should scrutinize the background of all the over 200 MPs, my background, Lilwin will be far better off than a lot of them. That's a fact. In terms of the achievement, whatever the way to me, the influence, the impact, way better off. It's me blaming no, and we see, we see how they behave, we see how they speak, we see how they talk, we see how they maneuver around, we see. And see, I'm not surprised that Lilwin, based on their way with our parliamentarians, based on their way on how Parliament is sometimes reduced to a concert party arena. We how we debate, and all that stuff. So probably you feel say, now every time I make excerpts from Parliament, that's a concert. I grow being a lady, so I think I can belong. And see, we should not blame him, because if Lilwin extra videos, reading news emanating from Parliament, they be a serious business. Like they be discussing probably it is hey, so our slot way there and me lie, and so let me not venture. So we should apportion the blame properly, because on when we say they way they meet me say me kwa fencing atu na mean to minka order I mean to minka say if a ballot paper you join the Parliament I mean to me easy. So he has actually pictured this thing, I can do it. But we know where we can go and where we cannot go based on your capabilities and abilities. True or false?
True. False.
Yes. But he's realized that it's something he can do. And to me begrudging for having that vision. And again, I say, what's in the baby now, no one can stand and I said, wait me, so we be blaming Lilwin, I'm blaming him also. Because probably they first realize, and I said, they are cocoa. You get?
So what about say if you're who school no say oh but me school then you bet me aboy.
Then ignorance. Because MP no is not responsible for development. The core function is to go out there and make laws. You can only facilitate. What I say? Into no can say, oh, you underdeveloped no, and that he feels that he can help me. And I think say Amrado said it. You don't necessarily have to be an MP to be able to contribute. Already Nagasan or pedigree or influence or a lot of support, clout. You can use your philanthropy, to help the community. You don't necessarily have to go to parliament to fix it. But regardless, let's even assume say Nkofona Kacheno or Jatum Sobe. And I agree with Plus. He qualifies. Nothing bars him. He's of age. He's a
sound mind.
Sound mind. I'll be to me standing if he's in the coin. But the point is, parliament and your kids play. When you actually go, see, parliamentarians are my own dance because a lot of them can almost raise the argument of plus or order. True or false? Some of our MPs, we've not seen them arguing. Unless, of course, they be in court parliament in action. In the parliament, in confirm new pen, they be on Kasa. Confirm you, they be videos about open Wakasa, I be go to buy winter.
Some problem you.
Oh man. When you go into parliament, there are committees, there are groupings, there are this. People are doing bills, and then if a resolve so be called there, and I agree with Logic and Amanda. So what you two so there, Charlie, you need to step up because young to me if I want to committee mo say mo fix a bill way now we need to then what's the point? Want to me call parliament and not argue. Then what's the point? Ain't see me problem. If indeed of a soccer there and not prepared. The same support Yedema Dumelo, Yedema Face Bafo, Yedema Ablago machine. If Lilwin lives up to that billing, lives up to that expectation, not change, so why not? We should give him that support.